Virgin Galactic is an American spaceflight company within the Virgin Group. It is developing commercial spacecraft, and aims to provide suborbital, space flights to space tourists, and suborbital launches for space science missions. Virgin Galactic was founded in 2004 by British entrepreneur Sir Richard Branson, who had previously founded Virgin Atlantic Airline. On January 24, 2019, Virgin Galactic announced a partnership with Under Armour for the fabrication of spacesuits for passengers and pilots of Spaceship Two. Under Armour will also create uniforms for Virgin Galactic. Will begin space tourism flights in 2021. Already, more than 600 paying customers including Justin Bieber and Leonardo DiCaprio are booked to take a ride on the plane. Will begin space tourism flights in 2021. This year Virgin Galactic stock started price $23. In the end of 2021 price will be $200. This is more than 860%.